Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Let's do an outfit of the day and this pair of new pants from Dream Curve. Curved Dream. Yeah. And it's very, very, very comfortable. And I think I need some red color to go with the red here, with the red here. So I wear a little dingling earring. Now, this top is very short. It's not comfortable. It shows up your belly. I do not like it. It feels cold. And there is pocket. Okay, I will take this top off. So it's very short, as you can see. If I feel too cold, I can use it as a belt, like this. That feels warm up. That is it. Goodbye, bye.